Hi, welcome to Say the World. You are looking at a dynamic and responsive website designed to study the relationship between text, color, and emotion, as well as to encourage communication and interaction in public and, in this case, cyberspace. Say the World is inspired by Color by Numbers, Emotional Cities, CO2 Live, The Waiting Wall, and similar projects and public installations. While artists work on redefining the public space and returning the public space to the public, it is the public that exploit the potentials of these projects and take them to new levels. Collaborative creativity has been demonstrated in numerous projects, amongst which the Ad-lib poster project and the Complete the Drawing challenge. Inspired by these wonderful projects, encouraged by what collaborative creativity is capable of, and impressed by how public space can be redefined and become of use to the public, I created Say the World, a virtual, mono-purpose and anonymous space where we can share with the world whatever thoughts we are having and appoint a background color for the display. Now let's see how this works. This is a lightweighted one-page website. There are currently 3 tabs: Home, Search, and Statistics. On the home page, the latest 10 posts are broadcasted in random order. Messages posted in the last 24 hours are accompanied by this new badge. The message box is embedded in the navigation bar so we can post without extra clicking. Let's try post a new message. I am doing the screencast and it is so much fun. And assign a color to the message. Dandelion looks good and our message is sent. Here it is. Now let's go to the search page. An AJAX request is sent on both onClick and onKeyUp events, so if we click on it, we see an archive of previous messages. And if we enter some keywords, Google for example, we get our search result right away. Now let's try another keyword. Let's say Jerry, which is the name of the mouse that lives somewhere in the ceiling. And here you can see a list of my complaints. In the statistics section, we provide data on connection between the number of posts, time, and color. First, we have time-related data, including number of posts at each hour of the day and on each day of the week. In my case, for example, the most active hours of all time is 10 to 11 p.m., although in the last week I mostly posted at midday. Secondly, we have color-related data, including most used color on each day of the week and most used color of all time. While my color collection is not explicitly mood-related, it should be safe to say something like, last Tuesday, Say the World felt Vista Blue. We also have an embedded YouTube playlist where I put videos that have inspired me, for example, the video of Emotional Cities and Light Criticism. The name of the project is partially from a Beatles song, and while looking for that song, I found this newly made music video with some interesting animation which I think is worth looking at, so I put it here as well. Visitors can also add videos to this playlist by clicking the link here. In the About section, I just put some links and share buttons. The website is fully responsive, so if we go to mobile view, we will see that everything resizes nicely. The navigation bar collapses on small screens and goes back to full length on medium and large screen. In the home page and search page, our new message is displayed and the total number of visitors and posts is updated without page refreshing. Currently, Say the World only exists in the cyberspace, but it's not hard to imagine it being implemented in physical spaces, as has been the Waiting Wall. It can serve as a message board in a school or company. It can also be connected to LED screens on People Square or skyscrapers in Lujiazui Financial Center, so we get to privatize the space and strengthen our emotional bond with people around us. The best solution for getting started on anything big is to break it up into the small. While Say the World is a fairly simple concept, I started by making a list of key functions, such as how messages are posted and displayed, how color is selected, and geographical location is retrieved. After that, I started to consider user interface design, creative functionality, and in general, what Say the World can do for the online public. I maintain a simple update log, keeping track of what has been done and what needs to be done. I find it extremely helpful. Say the World is an experiment on text, color, and emotion in public space in the form of a dynamic, responsive website. I do hope that more projects like Emotional Cities and The Waiting Wall, and even my own Say the World, will be given the opportunity to light up city skies, make us stronger, and bring us closer. Thank you.